Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the topic integration of sales and distribution management. This concept is more related to combination of the sales function and the distribution function together. And strategy is actually related to the long term planning. Long term planning, we are planning about the sales in a way it should reach to each and every distributor, and through distributor it should reach to the end customer. So basic relationship is it is very unique because its main focus is on product management and marketing channel management issues. The first is product management. Product management here is it involves all those products which whatever product they are dealing in, they should reach to the final customers. What is the quality, what brand they are in, what new things they are going to add, what items they are going to add. And the second point that we are going to consider is marketing channel management issues. And whereas the sale function is a function which deals with the marketing and selling of all those activities involved in procuring the product from the producer end till it reaches the consumer end. So we are going to start with the first distribution function. Distribution function actually assumes the responsibility for outbound logistic, which encompasses the set of decisions, the flow of goods from the producer to the consumer end. Now, why there is a need for effective sales distribution relationship? So first point that we are going to study is identifying and servicing the new customers. The basic purpose why we are doing it is we need to identify and service all those customers, all those new customers who are willingly buy that product, who are in need of that product. Second point is retaining and increasing the sale to current customers. We need to retain our customers and increase sales to the adding to the new or current customers. So that next is reducing the current customer defections, like why people are not buying that product, why there is defection, that we are going to identify. Are there any quality issues, why the people are not buying. Now we have basically two tasks involved. One is the sales management task, other is distribution management task. Now what are the tasks is actually here is the activities involved. And what is the basic purpose of sales management? Its basic purpose is achievement of volume and market share, and distribution management task is related to physical movement of the goods and the storage. Whereas in sales management task, it is the coverage of the market and outlets. In distribution management task, it is to follow up all of whatever the sales manager has planned. It should reach to the wholesaler and retailers, to the end customers. Next is width and depth of distribution. So sales management main purpose is they want that product should be reached to the wholesalers and retailers, whereas distribution management task is push the products into the market, sell them at the retail stores, and focus on all the products that are there in the market. Next is managing the institutional business and key accounts. So that is the basic purpose. Every company, whatever they are manufacturing, they want that product should reach to the wholesaler and retailers, to the customers, end customers. Next is the distribution management task is getting orders from the wholesalers and retailers, and it should reach, that means the execution or implementation of all those goods or which are there in transit, that should reach to the retailers so that customers can buy those products. Next is completion, tracking and action to protect market shares. So that is they track either the product reaches to the proper shape or not. Next is regular follow up and promotion of the sales. Market feedback reporting, that is the sales manager, they find out what is the feedback of the customers through wholesalers and retailers, and distribution channels they make a report of own and competitors company. Next is finish goods inventory management at cash and carry forward distributors. So sales managers actually their main focus is they want that finished goods should reach to the cash and carry forward distributors, and then is retain order disposable of the stocks. They want the product should reach to the, all the stock should reach to the particular place. Next is managing distribution channels, recruitments, development, evaluation, and exit if necessary. So all those management function is performed by the sales management people, whereas distribution function, that whatever channel members who are involved, they need to manage all those channels. There should not be any misgap or gap between the distribution channels, otherwise the product would not reach to the retailer, and ultimately that would be lost to the company, and that would be lost to the wholesaler and retailer also. So next point is participation in promotion events. The basic purpose of the sales manager or the sales management activities are, they are actually promoting the events. Through the promoting the events like different cricket matches, football matches, marathon races, that marathon race that is being organized by different companies, whereas the distribution function is they organize, participate, they are organizing exhibitions, fairs, where they are actually, the whole sole responsibility is for the wholesalers and the retailers. The last is local advertising and websites, hoarding and shop boards. So whatever the product companies, I think the sale managers is the basic purpose is they want that product should reach to the websites, proper hoarding should be there on the roads, shop boards, they are giving the displays, whereas the distribution network or the distribution management task is they fix the responsibility through the distribution channel, that who is going to transport those goods and who would be the cash and forward distributors who would finally reach to the retailers. Thank you so much.